How to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Discord on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then on this next menu, click on User Profile about halfway down. On the next screen, you can see your profile picture appears as the orange Discord logo. So click on the pencil next to that. After that, click on Upload Avatar at the bottom. And then go and choose the photo, whether it's located in your camera roll, on your download files, somewhere on your phone where you have that photo stored. Go and do a search for it and select that file. Once you've chosen the photo, it will ask you to edit the photo, so you can make any changes here that you want. Once you're happy with it, click the tick in the top right hand corner. And then next, once you're done, click on Save in the bottom right hand corner. And then you're done. And that's all it takes to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.